How to unlock an iPhone stuck in voiceover mode. So if you're trying to unlock your iPhone and the Face ID is not working and it's just stuck in the voiceover mode, I'll show you how to solve this issue and how to turn off the voiceover mode. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and mute the sound. So all you need to do is use 3 fingers and go and double tap the screen. Now, when you do this, you should get a message that says speech off. And that's going to mute the distracting voiceover feature. Now, next thing you need to do is use 1 finger and you need to swipe upwards from the screen and just go and hold your finger down. So let's do this together. I'm going to use my finger to scroll up on the screen. I'm then just going to hold it for just a second and then go and release. It will then ask you to unlock your iPhone. And what we can do is try entering our passcode. Now, to actually select a digit on the keypad, what you need to do is use your finger to select it once, and then you need to double click it to actually select that digit. So I'll show you how to do this now. So let's say I wanted to select number 2. I can quickly go and tap it. I can then let go of my finger and double tap this to select this digit. Now you need to keep doing this until you've entered your iPhone passcode. Now, once you've unlocked your iPhone, we need to disable and turn off the voiceover mode. So what we're going to do is use the same method by clicking and then double clicking to actually select something. So you need to open up your settings by clicking and then double tapping on it to open the settings. You can then just use your finger to select one of these options, and then you can use 3 fingers to scroll down the page. Now click on accessibility and then double click on it to open the page. You can then click on voiceover and double tap on it to open the page. And now go and double tap on the voiceover button to turn off this feature. Now, another way to do this is if you have Siri activated on your iPhone, you can just go and hold down the lock screen button and you can say, "Hey Siri, turn off the voiceover."